Hey everybody, Chip Gray with Off-Leash Canine Training in Lexington, Kentucky. Finishing up another great day of turnovers, training new dogs. Now it's time to call it a day. Before I do, I wanted to show you the before and after video of 6-month-old Doodle, Pickles. Pickles came to us with issues of being a young dog, just jumpy, pulling on the leash, no real control. Everything was just squirrel. Check out his progress after just 2 weeks.